Hey, Rumi and Mira, did you hear that?
Oh no!
Look, in the trash bin, it's Derpy! He doesn't look too good. Don't worry, we'll stitch you up, good as new. Oh, but there's gotta be something more we can do. Wow, Rumi sure got the magic touch, or wand. Now Derpy's got a little surprise for you. It's a school, just in case you want to leave show business. Do you think the teacher will be nice? A Saja boy? Oh, I want to see his credentials. Well, if he tries anything funny, we can take him. Unless he confiscates your stuff. But it's okay. We can always make new cool tools. Or wait until June. It's more fun to make a tinfoil wand instead. And he won't take it if he thinks it's just a pen. After all, a girl's got a right. Okay. Lunchtime. It's Mira's favorite. Extra spicy ramen. Uh-oh, lunch isn't until next period. Let's hope this stuff tastes better cold. Always fun to take photos of your friends. Especially when you've got a craft in mind. Take some pink, Mira's signature color. And draw her up a whole new hairstyle. But we're going for the full body look. Who says paper dolls don't have moves? Wow, this really puts a new spin on things. I think Mira likes her new mini-me. Passing notes in class? Not in his class. Oh, Rumi, haven't you heard of texting? Well, maybe Derpy can help you out. He might seem a little two-dimensional. But he's always here to help keep your secrets. Aw, a teeny tiny BFF note. You know what that means? A teeny tiny envelope. Quick, give it to Derpy. And hide it in your mouth. Try not to swallow. Here, Mira. Nothing to see here.
What?
She's just taking care of the class pet. Aw, Mira, you're Rumi's best friend forever. You know, the Saja boys have some redeeming qualities. But maybe we should keep that to ourselves. Let's just save a piece for later. No guess which Saja boy Rumi picked. And add some special ingredients, like glitter. Nothing can be truly bad when it comes with glitter. Including our brand new sticker. Make that stickers.
Aww. Hey.
Just don't forget to share the love. Looks like Mira's got a new gadget. Cool, a new phone. Make sure it's charged. Fully charged. Now for something really important. It's time to customize, complete with a Mira sticker. And what's the fun of a phone without games? Careful now, this round goes to the Saja boys. Looks like Rumi wants a new phone too. But don't get upset. Get crafting and make your own phone. It doesn't need charging, and it keeps your pencil sharp. Honestly, you can't get a better phone deal than this.
Ooh.
And cleanup couldn't be any easier.
Wow.
Careful, everyone can see your wallpaper. Rumi's got a case of Butterfingers today. Don't worry, Mira's got your back. Complete with a simple paper craft. With the right turns, you've got a brand new pencil case. Sussy here will help you hide it in plain sight. Always good to keep a few eyes out. Here, there's plenty of room for all of your pens.
Cool. Wow.
Did you study for the big math test? That answers that. I wonder if Mira's doing any better. Guess so.
Yay! Aw.
Can you help Rumi? It's too late for tutoring, but some tests let you use some special tech. So why don't we whip up a special calculator for Rumi? Just make sure you seal it up on top. And add the Derpy seal of approval.
Wow.
Fill her up. After all, calculators need a little program.
What?
Time to take it on a test run. Great success! Only thing easier is if it wrote the answers for you. Careful, no gum in class. Probably shouldn't do that either. Seriously, we lose perfectly good rulers this way. Mira's got an idea that epaulets aren't just fashionable, they're great for hiding crafting supplies. And there's always room for glitter. Bend all you want, this ruler won't snap. Measure, draw a straight line, and sparkle while doing it. This totally deserves some stickers. Those nails are fierce, but a little too cool for school. Uh-oh, looks like you're getting a manicure. Well, at least you don't need to book in advance.
Hey.
Rumi knows what you need, boba, which is hiding our secret blind bag. And inside, a nail file. But will it help? Wow, new color too. Rumi deserves a big tip. But why not add a splash of color? How about purple?
Okay.
Just be patient. It takes a while for the color to show. Of course, it also pays to let your nails dry.
Yay!
Soon your nails will look as good as new. But there's always room for some stickers. There's room for all your favorite Huntrix members. And a few of those Saja boys too. Time for a snack break. It's Rumi's favorite, ramen. Hey, no one said you could cut her off. Wow, a K-pop Demon Hunter's blind bag. Gotta love when noodles come with their own toppings. Back to the game. Solve this block puzzle before the clock runs out. Don't want to rush you, but time is not on your side. Ooh, looks like Rumi's got her own minifig mini-me. Okay, girls, time to sing. Or hunt demons, whichever comes first.
Snack time! Time for Rumi's special ramen. She puts a little bit of herself in this recipe. Derpy here's the special ingredient. Not for the soup, but our special spinning wheel. See?
Oh.
Everything's coming up Derpy these days. But you'd also make a pretty cool Mira. Of course, the best prizes are surprises. You hit the jackpot. Just look at that haul. Our first mystery box is all about our favorite fuzzy friend. Complete with a Derpy of your very own. And look, he comes with his own toy too. He's gonna sleep good tonight. Meanwhile, let's play with these other Derpy toys. Looks like a car and a matching pump. And a balloon. It's time to fill her up. When it comes to balloons, go big or go home. Because the bigger they are, the farther they go. Of course, some Derpies like to stay grounded. Still, we should help them come out of their shell. After all, it's a big world out there with some big slides. You know the best part of getting down? It's getting to start up all over again. Of course, things are always more fun together. Yeah, they do everything together. Next up, it's Rumi's special box. Can you dig it? Is that a coffin? Good thing the demon hunters are here. In fact, one might be closer than you think. It's Rumi. Sure, we all have skeletons deep down. But maybe we should help Rumi feel more like her old self. Why don't we start with a nice bubble bath? Add glitter. It's the answer to everything. Now, what did I tell you? Rumi's back in action.
Phew.
Of course, Rumi's gotta need her sword. And look, it comes with a cool spinning top. Comes in handy when dealing with those Saja boys. Like right now. Talk about right around the corner. That's a 3-in-1 strike, but we can still use some help.
Yeah.
Like our special clay Derpy. He's not made of clay.
Aww.
Then again, you are what you eat. You know, besides, it gives him a long, shiny new coat. Why don't we braid it? He likes Rumi's style. Looking good, Derpy, but you could use one thing. Glitter! Knew buying it in bulk was a good idea. And why don't we give you a trim while you're here? Next up, it's time to check Zoe's box.
Oh.
And we even got her special snacks. A twist on ramen. A bit on the sweet side. Bring out the chopsticks, and Derpy's here to help. Even if you're a pro, he's still good company. You want a gummy burger to go on top? No, but there's already a special ingredient. It's a special Huntrix game book. Come on, Mira. Help Rumi and Zoe enjoy snack time too. Gimbap. You just can't stop at one. Here, Zoe, make sure you chew. All gone. Now Mira's earned a little treat for herself. Candy's dandy, but noting tops ramen. We have a special guest. It's Susie. Ooh, a golden egg. Let's get cracking. Let's hope she likes sunny side up. Well, it looks like the yolk's on you. Don't worry, there's more where that came from. You know, it's fun to play with your food. But it's much more fun just to eat it. Aw, you're a regular golden goose. Mira, this box has got your name on it. Or face, rather.
Huh?
Well, a girl's gotta accessorize. Especially when it comes with bubbles. Use your other hand to get popping. It's a fairy with great hair, I might add. And it looks like she's going places. High places. She's sparkling like a diamond in the sky. This box is full of surprises. It's a disc. Let's take it for a spin. Besides, it's got a few surprises. So who says you can't reinvent the wheel? Looks like our final box is about the Saja boys. It's cute, in a grim sort of way, as in Reaper. I think he wants a tip. Add to the plate. He's a bank. He spirits your money away to safe places.
Wow!
And by safe place, I mean his stomach. But I think he'd prefer something spicy. Now that's more like it. He's on fire. Careful, or he'll end up with no face. But would that really be so bad? After all, there's a few spares in the box. And they're just so jiggly. Pretty stretchy, too. Granted, they're not much for looks. Seriously, a breakout would be an improvement. Especially because it means it's popping time. We've earned a treat, a Saja Boys burger. Would you like fries with that, or ramen? Either way, a little nibble shouldn't hurt. Uh-oh, there's some unintended side effects. Looks like Abby's got some new competition.